What's up, guys? Patrick here in the Alpha Pack Garage once again with the Ranger, and today is an exciting day. The motor's all the way back in, everything's hooked back up, plumbed up, ready to go. So I got all the coolant in there. We're about to hit that start button and watch her crank, hopefully. So here goes nothing. All right. Let's do this. All right. We have ignition. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Motor's running. Not smoking like before. Oh, yeah. Running like a brand new one, huh? I hope. All right. Man, got the primary on there. That's what's making that noise, not the engine. I might need to clean that up. But this is a great, nice moment here, boys, because shoot, I didn't have much time with this thing to even go ride with it or mudding or go to any parks or do any filming with it. And that was kind of the whole purpose in that, and to take care of things at our hunting lease. But man, now that it's running again, I get to throw everything back on it. Along with some additions, a 4-inch bracket lift we're going to throw on the back here. Hopefully it matches the lift that's already in the front. If not, I'll swap the front out. Also, all the A-arms are going to be cleaned up, put back on. The hubs, I'll grease those up. I got the greasers. We'll clean those up and grease them up and get them all put back in. The clutch box, CT. I got the black Rhino primary seal, crank seal protector on the way to go here and fill this hole. And when we go to put this back on, we'll definitely seal it up and silicone everything up. Hopefully everything's aligned properly and I won't go through belts like crazy and have to readjust. But yeah, guys, it's coming along quickly and nicely. I'm super excited that it now runs. And oh yeah, there's gonna be a lot more to come on this. Like I said, the lift kit, we're gonna install all the parts that are still off of it. I've got mud guards that I built for it that I'll put on there and show you how I made those. But I've already gone through the entire unit and redone the radio, redone everything. Made sure everything was good to go. So now we're really cooking here, boys. I'm super excited. So now that this is going, I can focus on other things like this Honda build. And here's a little sneak peek. Oh yeah, I just got news that this is now gonna be mine. This is a 2015 or 2016 Can-Am Outlander 800 XMR, and that's gonna be another one of my projects for me. I already have my Outlander 1000 XT that's in the back, and but this build, oh yeah, it's gonna be a little monster. So I'm gonna figure out the issues with mine with parts off this one and also replace everything on this that needs to be done. And we'll be doing videos on that as well. So we got a lot coming on this channel. So if y'all would hit that like, subscribe. If you haven't already, hit that bell for notifications on new videos that I post. And I will check y'all next time. Y'all take it easy.